Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 4 Going Places, Lesson 1. Please open your class book to pages 38 and 39. These two pages. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 4 Going Places, Lesson 1. Classbook pages 38 and 39. Activities 1, 2, 3, and 4. The aims. In this lesson, students will read information from a tourist website. Listen for general information. Complete the suggestions about things to do in Australia. Complete a fact file. Unit 4 Going Places. This is the title of the unit. Reading and Understanding section. Activity 1. Read. Read the website address. Let's look at this web page. Here we have the website address www.ikc.com/Australia, and we have here some texts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to activity 2. Read and listen. Ahmed is visiting his friend David from the IKC. Listen to their conversation. Let's listen to this conversation.
Unit 4. Listening 4.1.
Hi Ahmed, welcome to Australia.
Hi David! Thanks, it's great to be here.
This is my town. It's called Wanneroo.
That's a strange name. How do you spell it?
Wanneroo.
This is Wanneroo, the town that David lives in. Let's go to page 39, activity 3. Read and complete. Read the information on the IKC Australia website. Complete the suggestions 1 to 5 about things to do in Australia. Write the letters A to E into the circles. Let's read these first. A. Visit Ayers Rock. B. Visit Australia. C. Going to a beach. D. Learning about Australian animals. E. Play with a boomerang. Now we are asked to read the information and complete the suggestions. So we will go again to page 38 in order to read the information. 1. Australia is one of the 7 continents of the world. Do you know the 7 continents of the world? Try to revise them. About 24.5 million people live in Australia. Australians speak English because many of their families came from England to live in Australia about 200 years ago. So, this is about Australia. What is the correct answer? Yes, excellent. Let's visit Australia. Yes, visit Australia, number B. So here we have to write B. Yes, number 2. How about Australia is famous for its interesting animals, including the kangaroo, koala bear, dingo, and kookaburra. These animals cannot be found in any other countries. Australia also has more than 140 types of snake and the largest crocodiles in the world. Okay, how about? Yes, learning about Australian animals. So, number 2 is D. 3. Let's. One of the most famous objects from Australia is the boomerang. This is the boomerang. This is a piece of wood shaped like a letter V. Aborigines use boomerangs for sport and hunting. When you throw a boomerang, it will fly back to you. So, this is number. Yes, play with a boomerang. Number E. Dear students, if you find any difficult words, try to underline it and look it up at any dictionary. Okay, number 4. Why don't you? Ayers Rock is a famous rock in the middle of Australia. It is the largest rock in the world. It is 3.6 kilometers long and 348 meters high. Aborigine people call it Uluru. There are caves inside the rock and paintings in the caves that are more than 40,000 years old. Okay, this is why don't you visit Ayers Rock? This one is visit Ayers Rock. Number A. Okay. Number 5. How about Australia has more than 10,000 beaches. Australians love the sea and about 80% of the population lives near the coast. They also like to go surfing and have barbecues on the beach. Yes, going to a beach. Yes, number C. So 5 is number C. Activity 4. Read and complete. Read and complete the fact file. Yes, dear students, read the information again and try to complete this fact file. Take your time, use your pencil to do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's complete this fact file. Number 1. Number of people in Australia. Yes, 24.5 million people. Number 2. Language. Yes, excellent. English. Thank you. 3. First people in Australia. Aborigines. Yes, excellent. 3 Australian animals beginning with key. Yes. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Yes. And kookaburra. A famous Australian object. Yes, excellent. If you remember, a piece of wood shaped like a letter V. Boomerang. Yes. The last point. 6. Number of beaches in Australia. Yes, more than 10,000. More than 10,000. Dear students, read the information about Australia again. Take care. Whenever you find difficult words, underline them, look them up in a dictionary, then write them in your vocabulary book. We studied here some suggestions. If we look here, we studied these suggestions. Let's, for example, play with a boomerang. And also here, how about going to a beach? Inshallah, we will study making suggestions and how to respond to suggestions later in this unit. By this, we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.